माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टॉक मार्केट इन्वेस्टर। स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में आज लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे। और स्टॉक मार्केट टुडे ट्रेड सेटअप फॉर निफ्टी 50, टाटा मोटर्स सीबी लिस्टिंग्स, ट्रम्प्स tariffs to Bihar exit poll 8, stock to buy. Stock market news. Despite a sluggish started, Sensex and Nifty 50 finished strong on Tuesday due to buying in service and telecom stock. Nifty 50 closed at the 25,694.95, up 0.4%, while Sensex gained 0.4%. Positive statement from a potential US-India trade and agreement boosted the market. Stock market news or equality benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty 50 made a notable recovery to finish the day with impressive gain despite a sluggish started on Tuesday, driven by a surge in buying of service and telecom stock amid positive sentiment and regarding a US-India trade agreement. The Sensex opened lower, dropping 411.32 points or 0.49% to 83,124.03. Similarly, the 50 share Nifty 50 fell by 125.1 points or 0.48% to 25,449.25 in early trading. Nevertheless, the bond index stays in a robust comeback and ended the season on a high note. The Nifty 50 increased by 0.4% to close at 25,694.95, while the Sensex gained 0.4% to reach 83,871.32. Investors react positively to the comment from US President Donald Trump in indicating that a trade agreement with India is imminent. The stock of shrimp exporter and various textile companies that demand on the US market saw significant increase on the day. According to notice from the BSE, shares of Tata Motors commercial vehicles segment will be listed on the stock exchange on November 12. Tata Motor commercial vehicle will be available for trading on both BSE and NSE. Or trade setup for Wednesday. Rupak D, a senior technical analyst, security noticed the Nifty experienced fluctuations throughout the day before finishing with a notable gain. Please video share and subscribe please. Thank you.